Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're going to make kimchi shrimp tacos. It's not going to be your traditional kimchi. It's going to be a quick, kind of like a pico de gallo version of kimchi. So we're going to take our shredded cabbage. This is about half a head. Teaspoon of salt. We're going to sprinkle it. Teaspoon and a half. We're going to fill that up with some water and let that sit for about 20 minutes. And then rinse it. So we're gonna let that sit. All right, in the meantime, we're gonna combine our other ingredients that we're gonna add to the shredded cabbage, and that'll go on with our taco. About 2 ounces of chopped cilantro, green onions. It's about 5 or 6 green onions. We're gonna do 1/3 of a cup of gochujang chili flakes. We're gonna do a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now you could add sliced jalapenos if you want to make it a little hotter, but I'm not doing that today. You could also add a little bit of more fish sauce or something if you want to make it more Asian. However, I'm just gonna add about 1.5 ounces of water just to mix these up really good. And then we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime. So now we're going to drain our cabbage. And we're going to add that mixture with the lime and the gochujang and the cilantro. It smells so good. This is going to complement these shrimp tacos so well. So you just want to make sure it's evenly coated. Try not to throw it outside of the bowl. Alright, so we got our cast iron heating up. I'm going to add a little avocado oil. A little bit more. Get a good coat on the bottom of the skillet. Add our onions and peppers. Just gonna saute those down. We're going to add in a little seasoning. You can use whatever brand you want. If you let me know if you want the recipe, I'll write that one down. Just some cumin, a little oregano, some chili powder, a little smoked paprika, some kosher salt, garlic, a touch of cayenne. a good looking taco. Alright, so here's our kimchi tacos with a kimchi slaw, I guess, and little fajita style onions and peppers. See how it tastes. That gochujang with a little bit of lime to it just hits it. And the cilantro and green onions, just great. That is wonderful. Put a little more lime on there. Thank you. Kimchi tacos. Wonderful, pretty quick to make. Nothing too hard.